Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can create an EA account in 2026, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to create your very own account on EA easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to go on to ea.com, and here you're going to click onto this profile icon and then you're going to click on to create account. After that, you're going to select your country or your region here and then you're going to select your date of birth. Click next, then enter your email address here and then you'll receive a code on your email address, so put that code in here. And after that, click next, enter your EA ID here, and after that enter a password. Make sure the password follows these rules, so 8 to 64 characters, one uppercase, one lowercase letter, and then one number. After that, agree to their user agreements and then click create account, and now click finish here. And there you have it, guys. We have successfully created an account on the EA website in 2026. And here it is, guys. That's how easy it was to create an EA account in 2026. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.